Can budget-friendly skincare really target fine lines and wrinkles? Well, this product was gifted by The Ordinary and I have put it to the test for the next 7 days to see if it's really worth the claim. Hi guys, my name is Neha and here I'm putting The Ordinary New Age Support Serum Gf15% solution to the real test. Although I wonder what results can I really expect in just 1 week, skincare, especially anti-aging products, take typically longer to show some visible results. So I decided to dig a little deeper and see if the brand provides any insights on its expected timelines, and here is what I found on its website. So in 1 week, I should expect visible wrinkle repair. Okay. In 2 weeks, I should expect visible skin regeneration. It helps repair visible skin damage. In the 4 weeks, I should be expecting firming and lifting. So as per the brand, my face, my neck and my jawline should look more lifted. This is a 30 ml packet, so I believe this should last me for a little over a month. And with just one use, it claims that you will get a strong skin barrier. I'm so excited. Let's get going with day 1. The packaging is just like any other ordinary product, simple, minimal and informative with a clean design. The serum itself is super watery. Super watery. Actually, it feels exactly like water. There is no noticeable scent. Well, wait, there is a faint smell like something straight out of the lab. But it's so muted that it's barely noticeable and definitely not bothersome. Since it's just like water, it spreads effortlessly and dries down quickly. I used 4 or 5 drops for my entire face and felt like I could use 2 more drops for my neck. Now, do I feel any difference? The brand claims it strengthens the skin barrier, but honestly, I can't really tell. Like, did it actually happen? No clue. I feel like if anything's changing, it's probably happening at a cellular level, something that I wouldn't even notice. So let's talk a little more about what this GF is. It stands for growth factors. Like, it aims to stimulate collagen production, it stimulates cell turnover, and it leads to more youthful appearance. 15% is the active ingredient percentage in the serum, which comes from the 3 plant-based peptides, EGF, TGF, and IGF. Now, these are plant peptides complex. If you want to know more about these peptide complexes, there are links in the description box that you may go ahead and read. So that was day 1, morning and night application. Let's get to day 2. On day 2, I shaved my face and I was scared to try this product on my freshly shaved skin. But to my surprise, it didn't cause any irritation or discomfort. Instead, it felt incredibly soothing and calming. My skin is usually sensitive after shaving and most products don't sit well immediately after. But this one was different and it genuinely impressed me. Important note, however, the brand recommends using it right after cleansing and advises against combining it with any acids and direct vitamin C. After I use this, I follow up with a moisturizer and a sunscreen during the daytime, and at night I pair this with my moisturizer and an occlusive sealant for added hydration and anti-aging benefits. On day 3, I followed the same regimen: cleanse, apply the Ordinary New Age Support Serum Gf15% solution, then layer with moisturizer and sunscreen. My nighttime routine remained unchanged: cleanse, apply the serum, moisturize and seal with an occlusive for added hydration. Whilst I'm documenting this for only 7 days, but I will continue to use it until it finishes. So I might post an update after 4 weeks of usage. I hope it lasts for 3 weeks after this. Day 4 in and I stuck to the same routine for both morning and night. Did I notice any changes? Honestly, not really. Nothing noticeable yet, but I'm hoping that by the end of this 7-day test, I will see some results. I'm putting a lot of trust in this product. I've tried a few things from The Ordinary in the past and I've loved most of them. This one does feel like an innovative launch, so I've got high hopes. Let's see. So I continued using the serum for the next 3 days, hoping to see noticeable changes by the end of my 7-day test. By the evening of day 5, I noticed a heat boil. I had experienced a similar breakout on day 2, but initially dismissed it, assuming the extreme humidity here was to blame. However, since it happened again, I realized I might need to adjust my routine. Given that this product boosts skin cell turnover, a key feature of an anti-aging treatment, I considered the possibility of dead skin buildup causing these breakouts. To address this, I incorporated a physical exfoliant into my cleansing routine on the morning of day 6 to help clear any congestion. I kept the rest of my regimen unchanged. By the morning of day 7, the heat boil was still there. Along with this, I noticed additional changes. The Gf15% solution visibly reduced the depth and severity of existing wrinkles around my eyes, making them appear less prominent. The improvement was noticeable, though subtle, which was expected within just a week. I didn't notice much difference in other areas such as laugh lines and my forehead, likely because the fine lines here aren't very prominent yet. I'll continue using this product for another 3 weeks and see how it performs and share an update. I hope this video gave you some insight into the product. Keep an eye out for more updates and upcoming videos. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.